Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best leaf blower gutter attachments in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Greenworks Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit. If you have clogged gutters and you don't intend to call cleaning services to help out, you can purchase this gutter kit to make your work easier. This ultra-functional attachment kit allows you to efficiently clean any elevator's gutters while standing safely on the ground. It has 4 tubes that will screw together easily to provide you with a long extension piece. This attachment kit will help you save time and money that you could use on cleaning services. These accessories will also help minimize the risk of getting hurt when you are cleaning gutters. They also have a narrow tube diameter that will help maximize airflow. In addition, these accessories efficiently move levels since they have a tapered end piece that boosts air movement power. This attachment for filters is the best choice that is pretty easy to use. Furthermore, these accessories will allow you to adjust or modify its height to clean different gutter levels. Mainly these accessories are designed for Greenworks leaf filters, but they can be used with various filters since they are universal. Number 2. Our second best pick is WORX Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit for leaf blowers. This leaf collection system attachment kit will allow you to clean your gutters while you are standing on the ground. This universal gutter cleaning kit has an overall average rating value. It also has tubes that will extend up to 8 feet, and they can reach up to 11 feet. This gutter cleaning kit for leaf blowers is very easy to assemble, and it will only take you around 5 minutes. They also have nozzles designed to provide maximum airflow and solid seal. The best part is that the universal fit attachment can match most leaf blowers but not fit in turbine fusion blowers. Also, the tube screw will allow you to get the desired length and stability. This leaf collection system kit is a safer and very easy way to blow leaves or debris from your gutters. What's more, the attachment will fit most gas, electric and cordless blowers from most major brands. Plus, this model of the Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit is lightweight, and it only weighs 2.6 pounds. Number 3. Our third best pick is Husqvarna Leaf Blower Attachment Kit. If you want a gutter cleaning kit that will provide maximum safety, you can opt for this leaf blower attachment kit. It will allow you to remove leaves from your gutter without needing an elevated platform. This Husqvarna is around 3 meters long, with 4 extension tubes, 1 gutter nozzle tube and a pivot tube. These blower gutter attachments are best suited for only 2 Husqvarna blowers or filters, the 125B and 125BVX. The amazing bit is that the attachment allows you to modify the extensions to fit other blowers from other brands rather than the Husqvarna. Plus, these accessories have 5-part poles with angled ends, cleaning stuck debris and smaller edges. This leaf filter gutter kit will make gutters clean more efficiently and meticulously. Furthermore, setting the kit is super easy, and you can easily adjust or modify it to fit your blower. These accessories have an average weight, reducing the chances of getting tired faster. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BLACK+DECKER Gutter Clean Attachment for Blower. Another ideal option to clean your gutter or lawn is this gutter clean attachment. It is a superb choice if you want to make the most out of the BLACK+DECKER filters. These accessories are designed to make your cleaning job easier and safer. These accessories are designed with high-quality material, making them ideal for a durable attachment. In addition, the accessories will make the difficult task of cleaning gutters so much easier. The leaf filters have a flexible tube that will help you maneuver to the hard-to-reach areas, corners, and crevices on the roof. The accessories can reach up to 12 feet, meaning you will not need to use elevated surfaces to reach your gutters. Plus, you can adjust the attachment to whatever length you want. The accessories will help you save on time and money that you could spend if you called cleaning services. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Stihl OEM Gutter Cleaning Attachment Kit. This gutter cleaning attachment kit is another perfect option that will make your cleanup job easier. It features plastic tubes attached to the Stihl handheld blower to provide maneuverability, and it can extend to more than 10 feet. This way, you are guaranteed additional extension needed to reach almost all gutters, including residential gutters. These gutter attachments will be ideal for removing dry leaves or debris from your gutter or roof. In addition, the kit will make your clogged gutters easier to clean, giving you a more manageable gutter attachment. The Stihl gutter attachment kit weighs only 3.97 pounds, making it a lightweight option that will reduce fatigue. This gutter cleaning attachment kit has great customer reviews, and it will help save on time and money. It provides a solid and secure fit which guarantees that you don't need to deal with loose fittings, or you will not need to use duct tape to help the attachment stay in place. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.